So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to outline text here on Canva. It's super simple. Canva actually updated this recently to make it a lot easier for people to add outlines to text here on Canva. So first thing you have to do is write some text that you want to have an outline for. I'm just going to go to the text tab here on the left, go to add a heading, and I'm going to type in the word. Actually, I'm going to go, how about the word outline? Just to make it a little bit simpler, I'm going to make it all capitals and I'm going to make it a lot larger. This works with whatever font you want. It doesn't really matter, but just for this example, I'm going to use the Canva Sans font to make it super easy. So once you have the text that you want to outline, first off, you got to change the color of the text and also change the outline color as well. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to make this text the color red and I want to add a black outline to it. Super simple. I want you to press on the outline or the text right here. I want you to go to where it says effects in the top corner right here. I want you to press on effects. Now you do have a bunch of different options. You have none, shadow, lift, outline, splice, hollow, echo, glitch, neon, background. For this example, I'm going to use the outline feature here on Canva. So I just want to press on the outline feature right here. So right away, you're greeted with two options. You have the color tab and the thickness tab. If I wanted to change the color of the outline to black, just go to the color tab, make it black. Now, as you can tell, there's red text with black outline. And if you want to change the thickness of it, by dragging it to the right, you make it more thick. And by dragging it to the left, you make it less thick. But regardless, that's how you get a outline to text here on Canva. So hopefully this video helped. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.